Hello everyone, I'm here testing a Coldwall unit model number TM80. It's one of our products. There you go, the ERC temp is about 34 degrees as you can see. That ERC is a Dixell controller from Emerson. It's a model number XR02CH. I actually happen to have one on my hand. There you go. Model number XR02CH, and you can see there's a very simple connection. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are your sensors. We only utilized 1 and 2. That's for the room sensor. 6 and 7 is the supply line. And 8 and 9 is the switch for the compressor. That's how simple is this. So you can see you got the connections, quick connections here. This is for calibration or programming. As I see. And I have the terminals for my power input and the switch. There you go. If you look inside this unit, again, it employs a R290 compressor. It's a RAA model. If you know about this RAA model, they are low torque compressors. They do not have starting capacitors. They only have that run capacitor right there, which is about 15 microfarads. Alright, so this RAA will not run. It will go into overload protection if your differential on your pressure, the high and the low, is above 15 psi. So for example, if I have 2 ports in here, this is my low side, and if I put in or I tap a high side here, and the differential before starting is about 15 psi, this compressor will go into high amp draw. This particular compressor has an amp draw of 2.7 amps, and normal amp draw on this while it's operating is about 1.3. so whenever this compressor is stabilized, it will drop down all the way to 1.30 or 1.31. I will prove that to you in a little bit. But I have a compressor, it's a similar compressor operating here, that I can show you. I can show you the amp draw. Hold on a second, guys, because I have to position this. Okay, here we go. Amp draw is 1.31, 1.30. 1.31 is normal. Again, this compressor recommended to run below 70 degrees of that rated load amps, which is about 2.7. Dixell controller, it's already at 6 degrees Fahrenheit. But the one I'm testing right now is still dropping. It's at 35 degrees Fahrenheit. If you look inside, it's starting to build up some ice on the side of this unit. Start to build some frost. There we go. This one has more because it's at a lower temperature. Let's see. The pressure while this is running is about 7.5 psi right now. It's even a little bit higher than that. It's about 8 degrees. I mean 8 psi. 8 or 9. There you go. disregard this one, because disregard the high side, because the high side, this blue line is not connected. There we go. You might say something about the color of that low side. It's yellow, but the color doesn't mean nothing, guys. Okay, again, is a run capacitor only, no starting capacitor. That's what I'm trying to emphasize on this. The wiring is pretty simple. There you go. You can see the wiring. I have here the neutral. It's all the way at the far left. It's terminal 6. Sorry, there you go. Terminal 6. This is line, and this to switch the compressor. And I have a quick disconnect connector right there for the sensor. The set point on this, guys, is it goes all the way to -10. So I'm at 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and my set point is at -10. It will take some time to drop down to -10, but it will get there. Right now, again, I'm gonna try to show it to you the normal amp draw, which when it's stabilized, now it's at 1.32. Before it was, I believe it was 1.6 when it just started, or 1.5. But there you go. A stabilized compressor will run at about 1.32 or 1.31. Yeah. If you have any questions about this compressor, guys, leave that on the comment and I will get back to you. And thank you for watching.